Oh, snap.
The reason why all of this is happening has to do with those winds. Remember, we've been talking about seeing those winds potentially gusting up at the surface anywhere between 30 to 40 miles per hour. They're likely going to be much stronger
We're right
as
here.
you're traveling 10, 20, even 30,000 feet
Right there
in
where it
the
says
atmosphere.
DCA,
Looking
just
like
above
a much
that.
smoother ride across the northern plains as well as
Right
out
there,
west.
Buffalo
But if
right
you're going
there.
to be
Right where it
traveling either
says,
from
right in the corner
Seattle
where it says
or even into and
DCA.
out of the state of Montana,
Pointing
likely
right
going to
in
be a
Buffalo.
bumpy ride here for you. Now, in terms of delays for today, we may
Right
end up
there.
seeing
Buffalo,
another
New York
delay
is right
popping
here.
up over in the Miami area. Looking like overall a much better ride for those of you out west here. And for tomorrow, as that storm system ends up exiting the northeast, we'll continue though to end up seeing some delays popping up for those of you in places like Chicago as well as Buffalo. This is all due to that lake effect snowfall that we're expecting to see there. But in a good chunk of the rest of the country, including the southeast, looking like a much better ride in terms of the weather. Britta?
Say that you can't have snacks on the flight. My goodness. Okay, let's take a look at Atlanta International Airport.
Alright, so that's Atlanta. We're not in Atlanta. Okay, going on 8 o'clock right now. Just pay attention to the trees right now. Trees is the determining factor of how this wind is. Okay, so they said they're reporting 43 miles per hour right now. You can kind of hear it. We're going to pay attention to this all day. It's supposed to be 12 hours of sustained winds. Look at that, see? Plus, we're supposed to get up to like 60 to 70 miles per hour gusts of winds. Crazy.